All right, so we're back at it with a 23-24 Revolution. We're gonna check it out. I'm actually very hyped on this. I've been waiting a while for it. It's taking its sweet time, so I'm hoping we got something. I'm really hoping for, obviously, an autograph. I'm also hoping for just a variety of good cards. I have watched a ton of videos on these and just card rips in general. And I just want something pretty cool, you know? So there's a bunch of lavas that you could hit, galactic sunbursts, the cosmic sunbursts, shockwaves. So these are all the numbered ones, and there's also autographs. There's fractals numbered 1 to 75, rookie autographs right here numbered 1 to 100. Base cards are included approximately in one in every pack. So this is a hobby box that you can get. It retails for $200. If I can get it open. There we go. So $200, you get 8 packs inside. I'm really hoping we can get this. I'm gonna split it in half and start from the top. So here it is. Those the packs are. There are autos. Obviously, a good chase is to get a Wemby. If I get a Wemby, that would be so amazing. Jordan Hawkins for the rookie. Amari Bailey for another rookie. That's pretty good right there. And then we got just a bunch of base. These are the base cards right here. I'm going to put them off to the side. The decent hits are in the middle. The big hits are going to be on the left. But right now, just 2 rookie cards. Usually they put the hits in the front. Cason Wallace. I'm pretty sure it says on the back what the types are. This is a fractal for that rookie card. Oh, Josh Giddey. This is a numbered card out of 99 for Josh Giddey. Not too bad. I like that number cards right there. That's pretty good. Out of 99 is crazy. I don't think I've gotten something that low in a while. I think yeah. I got in, I forgot who it was, from Monopoly Prism, if you guys seen that live stream. Josh Giddey out of 99. This is a cosmic, so I'm going to put that there. That's a good hit right there. Zion, Cole, and Kyle for the base. Not too bad, not too bad. I've seen a bunch of people open these up. They've gotten pretty good hits out of like 2 packs that they opened. For $200, I mean, you know, I hope you would be able to. Just making sure. This one's a groove. And then we got 3 base. The bases, everything on this packs looks amazing. Like the cards themselves, I'm sure everyone tells you that they look amazing. They really do. In person especially. Vortex, there we go. We got us some variety up in here. That's pretty good. That's one of the inserts, I believe. And another fractal. And then we got those bases right there. Not too bad for the Vortex. Pretty good variety so far. We're halfway already. So far, it's looking decent. I want to hit 1 auto because I have never seen an auto in person. Especially holding a rare. Oh my. What do we have here? What do we have here? Spencer Dinwiddie. Out of 125, another numbered card. It's a neutron. Not too bad, not too bad. And then for our base, Paul George. Not too bad. Actually, I'm really liking this pack so far. I might have to buy more for sure. We'll find out. Oh, Shockwave. Victor, oh my, yo, this pack got loaded, I swear. I swear. Yo, Victor Wemby, bro. That is crazy. Okay, this pack is amazing. We got a little bit of everything. We got the chaser for Wemby. We got a low number card. Now we just need an auto and then boom. This thing is amazing. Oh my gosh. The Vortex too. This is a beautiful card right here. Oh my. It's a fractal. That's easily the best hit right now. Easily. Those are the other ones right there. I'm telling you, I put red for the red background. I was like, maybe we're gonna get some good luck with it. And I was completely right. Oh my. That is amazing. That Wemby, bro. Saved the whole pack right there. Andre Jackson Jr., sorry. It's numbered? No. Jaren Jackson Jr. The Groove. Trae Young, DeMar DeRozan, Luka. All right, last pack. Right now I'm already happy with everything we got. If we can get an auto or something really good right here, I'm gonna freak out. No, I'm playing. We won't, but we'll see. I might have to buy another pack, so let me know in the comments down below. Kate and George, okay. And Andre Jackson. Oh, okay, I thought that was something crazy back there. These things look so amazing. Okay, you got that one right there. We're gonna sleeve that Vortex. And then Andre Jackson Jr. I feel like we already had him. Wow, that is actually a really good pack. I didn't get that much base. It's actually really even. Look, the Revolution pack is really good. I want to buy more, but these things are expensive. So let me sleeve everything up. We're gonna check the prices after this. That Wemby I know is gonna be worth a lot. No crazy good looking numbered cards. I want to hit one of those 101s or just an auto, you know. Eventually I will. That's the thing. We're gonna hit something really big eventually, but let's go ahead and show you all these cards. We're gonna make sure we didn't skip anything good, you know. So Anthony Edwards, Trae Young, DeMar DeRozan. So it looks like the bases are like blue, red. It kind of matches their team. Yes, it matches their teams. Make sure we're not going to miss any cards here. Like there's no special fractal or something hiding or numbered card hiding. All right, we're going to check out this one. These are the slightly above average hits. We got Luka right there for the base. Jaren Jackson Jr. for the groove right there. Andre Jackson Jr. not numbered. I don't think I meant to put this one in here. Looks like I skipped some base cards. Cam Whitmore for the rookie. We got some more base cards in here. Oh no, these are grooves. Okay, make sure the other ones weren't. Okay, we're good. Rookie right there. Case and Wallace. This is the insert. Rookie Revolution for Case and Wallace. Pretty good right there. Amari Bailey and Jordan Hawkins. None of them are numbered, just had to double check. But these are amazing, great looking cards. I'll probably sleeve all those ones up as well. Make sure everything's good. And then above average hits, we have a Revolution here. Neutron out of 125. I'll actually top load that one. But Neutron is really good. That is nice. Vortex, Anthony Edwards, non-numbered. Shockwave. We did get a pretty good amount of variety. I love that. Vortex. Keontae George is a rookie also. Andre Jackson Jr. rookie. Groove. That technically should be in here, but it's fine. And then Josh Giddey and obviously Victor Wemby himself. These two are our best hits right here. So the Josh Giddey out of 99 and our Victor Wemby. This is a Cosmic, wow. And Victor Wemby. I feel like I always get Wemby out of the first pack of anything. Like literally, the very first pack I ever bought from Monopoly Prism was a Victor Wemby base card. Now we have a Victor Wemby, what is this? Fractal. So it's a little bit better than the regular. Very nice. Honest review of the Revolution. I love it. I know Skybeat Cards opened up those blaster boxes of the Revolution. I feel like those ones weren't as good, but they cost retail price. Basically, you could pick them up at like Target for 25 bucks. This one here is a hobby box. Honestly, I love this pack. I honestly have to buy probably more, to be honest. It's better than Monopoly Prism, that's for sure. Because I bought, I want to say, what was it, $500 worth of Monopoly Prism, and I only made $200 off of that. This time I, you know, bought a $200 box, and I made, I don't know how much this Wemby is. I'm gonna look it up right now, but this Wemby alone paid for the whole box basically. So in my opinion, this is amazing, and the rest of the cards just look so nice. Way better than, you know, the Monopoly Prism out there and everything else like that. Centering is good, and these are just quality cards right here. They have on sticker signed autographs, and they also have on card autographs. It would be pretty cool to get a Wemby autograph, but I will buy more packs. If you guys want to check it out, subscribe so you can support